Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Are you still on fire? So look at me. Thank you. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Fazilah Qanita. I come from Auladi Islamic Elementary School, SU2 Palembang. I would like to deliver my story entitled The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time in a field on summer day, there was a happy grasshopper. He liked to sing, dance, and play all day. What a beautiful day! I like to sing, I like to dance, I like to hop, 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 hop. I have nothing to do but sing and play. I like to sing, I like to dance, I like to hop, 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 hop. As he was singing, an ant was passing by. Can you ever get tired of playing? Me? Of course not. Can you ever get tired to work? Who? Me? Of course not. Do you want to play with me? No, I have work to do. Come on, let's sing together. I like to sing, I like to dance, I like to hop, 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 hop. No, I am very busy right now. Work, work, work. That's all you do? You don't have time to play or sing with me? No, I'm done. Why you look in hurry? I want to take home this kernel of corn. What for? I want to save for the winter. How can you think about winter in such a quiet day? Because winter will be here soon, and food will be too hard to find. You should do the same. Oh, I don't worry about winter right now. And I don't worry about winter right now. You just go ahead and work, work, work. And I will just play, sing, and dance. Soon you will not have enough food to eat. I have plenty of food right now. And what about tomorrow? I don't worry about tomorrow. I do. Goodbye. So the ant went on its way and continued its work. The winter soon turned cool. All the food lying in the field was covered with a thick white blanket of snow. I have listened to the ant. It's so cool. I can't play, sing, and dance. I'm sure the ant will help me. The grasshopper went to the ant's house. Please, give me something to eat. I'm cold and hungry. Why should I help you? What did you do all summer? I play and dance. So you just go ahead and play and dance. Please, help me, please. Finally, the ant felt pity. He called the grasshopper inside and gave him food. The grasshopper ate happily and promised to the ant that it never was like before winter. Okay, my friends, remember, work hard today to get ready for tomorrow. Thank you for your attention. I'm Fazilah Qanita. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Mi.